Why are refrigerant regulations changing for HVAC systems? Have you ever wondered how the air conditioning in your home affects the environment? Well, it turns out that the refrigerants used in HVAC systems play a big role in this. Let's talk about why regulations surrounding these refrigerants are changing. Refrigerants like R-410A have been commonly used in HVAC systems. However, they have a high global warming potential, which means they can significantly contribute to climate change if released into the atmosphere. To tackle this issue, regulatory bodies such as the United States Environmental Protection Agency and international agreements like the Kigali Amendment to the Montreal Protocol are stepping in. They are enforcing new rules to phase out these high global warming potential refrigerants. The main goal here is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and help meet climate targets set by various governments. Starting in 2025, new HVAC equipment will need to use refrigerants with a global warming potential below 750. This effectively bans the manufacture and installation of systems using R-410A, which has a global warming potential of over 2,000. This change aligns with broader environmental policies like the Paris Agreement, aiming to lessen the HVAC sector's impact on global warming. So, what are the alternatives? New refrigerants such as R-32 and R-450B are being adopted. R-32 has a global warming potential around 675, while R-450B is about 466. These alternatives not only have lower global warming potential values, but also maintain similar or even improved efficiency and cooling capacity compared to older refrigerants. However, it is important to note that these newer refrigerants are classified as mildly flammable. This means that updates to safety standards, building codes, and installer training will be necessary to ensure safe handling and use. From a mechanical engineering perspective, these regulatory changes will impact system design, manufacturing, installation, and maintenance practices. Existing HVAC systems that use phased-out refrigerants can still operate, but service costs may rise due to limited refrigerant availability. Retrofitting old systems to accommodate new refrigerants can be impractical or expensive. Therefore, replacing aging equipment with compliant models is generally the recommended approach. Engineers and technicians will need to adapt to working with mildly flammable refrigerants. This may involve new tools, safety protocols, and certification requirements. Manufacturers will also need to redesign components to ensure compatibility with new refrigerants while meeting efficiency and environmental standards. In summary, the shift in refrigerant regulations is driven by the need to protect our environment. By adopting new refrigerants with lower global warming potential, the HVAC industry is taking steps toward more sustainable and energy-efficient systems.